Alright, Google may have accidentally shown us a Fitbit device that it hasn't announced yet. Some sharp-eyed Pixel fans spotted a mysterious wrist-worn tracker in Google's Pixel 11 advertisements. It's a small, vertically oriented, screen-equipped fitness tracker with a very narrow pill-shaped black display and a light-colored band. So what exactly is it? The obvious theory is that we're looking at the Fitbit Charge 7. You have the Pixel Watch 5 at the smartwatch end with its larger display and full smartwatch functionality. Then there's the Fitbit Air at the opposite end, which deliberately removes the screen altogether. A new Charge would sit right between them, smaller and simpler than a Pixel Watch, but still capable of showing things like the time, notifications, and fitness information directly on your wrist. Even the timing is pretty interesting. The original Fitbit Charge was announced in 2014, followed by the Charge 2 in 2016, Charge 3 in 2018, Charge 4 in 2020, Charge 5 in 2021, and Charge 6 in 2023. So for several generations, Fitbit was releasing a new Charge roughly every 2 years, give or take, but the Charge 6 launched in September 2023, meaning it's now approaching 3 years old. And with the introduction of the Fitbit Air, maybe Google has been rethinking where the Charge fits into its lineup. If that's the case, perhaps now is the perfect time for a new generation. Of course, the design also looks more rounded and pill-shaped than the current Charge 6, so if this is the Charge 7, Google could be giving the series a fairly substantial redesign. There's also another possibility. This could simply be a prototype or an unreleased Fitbit device that Google accidentally used in its marketing. Or, less excitingly, it could be a fictional or AI-generated product created specifically for the advertisement. That last possibility shouldn't be completely dismissed, but seeing what appears to be the same device in multiple advertisements makes the whole thing more intriguing, and there's actually a pretty obvious place for such a product in Google's current wearable lineup. The current Charge 6 already offers a color touchscreen, built-in GPS, heart rate tracking, ECG, Google Maps, Google Wallet, and up to 7 days of battery life. So a Charge 7 wouldn't need to completely reinvent the category. It could instead bring newer sensors, better health tracking, a refreshed design, and perhaps even some of the AI-powered features Google introduced with the Pixel Watch 5. Google could potentially use those AI features to offer more personalized health insights, smarter workout guidance, or AI-assisted summaries, bringing some of that intelligence from the Pixel Watch down to its fitness trackers, assuming Google wants to take that approach. So yes, this could finally be our first look at the Fitbit Charge 7, or it could be something else entirely. Either way, the fact that Google apparently put an unannounced Fitbit-style tracker into multiple Pixel 11 ads is definitely worth keeping an eye on. Peace.